this is Faye and I'm back with Red Velvet Irene inspired makeup tutorial. So now let's get started. First of all, I'm going to apply the foundation all over my face and blend it out evenly by using the beauty blender. And then I'm going to cover my dark circles with a cream concealer. This cream concealer has a similar texture with a liquid concealer, so it's really easy to blend it out. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrow with an eyebrow powder and draw my eyebrow a little bit curved like Irene's signature eyebrow. And then I'm going to contour my nose with a nose powder. Start from the tip of my eyebrow and bring it downwards to a nostril. And I'm trying to make my nose tip look smaller. And also I'm going to contour my jawline, temples, and the forehead with contour powder. For the eye, I am going to apply dusting pink color all over my eyelids and apply it a little bit onto my lower lid as well. To give it a little bit of orange shade, I'm going to apply a little bit of shimmery orange shadow onto my mobile lid. And next, I'm going to apply brick color onto the one third of my lower lid at the other corner. And then I'm going to line my eyes with a dark brown pen liner. After that, I'm going to smudge the line a little bit by applying a dark brown shadow on top of it. Next, I'm going to line my waterline with a light brown pen liner. And then I'm going to smudge the line a little bit with a brownish color. Also, I'm going to add more color onto the eye makeup by applying the same color onto the other wing. And then apply the falsies. After that, I'm going to apply the mascara onto my lower lashes. And then I'm going to apply medium pink blusher onto the apple of my cheek just right beneath my eyes. Next, I'm going to apply the highlighter onto the set of feathers on my face. Irene had 3 different lip colors in the video, but I chose to recreate her makeup in her photo teaser. So I'm going to apply this pink color onto my lips and the makeup is done. This is the finished look. I wish my hair was black so it will look much better. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!